Here is a visual proof of the summation of the infinite series minus 1 by 2 whole power n. Take this 3/4 of a square as a unit value. Now, if we subtract half of it and then add back half of the half, that is 1 by 4th, this is the total removed and existing part represented in two colors. Again, if we subtract 1/8th part and add back half of it, that is 1 by 16, here is what we'd end up with. And if we continue doing this until an infinitesimally small value, here's what we would be left with at the end. And the existing part is 2/3 of the total value. That is the answer of the expression.